This 2019 Renegade Vienna 25UCB is a Class B RV. It is located in Fife, Washington, 98424 and is offered for sale by Johnson RV Fife. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Renegade and features sleeps 4, Slideout, and 34 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features outdoor entertainment, rear bath, U-shaped dinette. This 2019 Renegade Vienna 25UCB is built on a Mercedes Benz 3500 Sprinter chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.